Hi, and welcome back to our how-to series on the iC-R helmet. Today, we're going to be going over sharing your mobile connection to your helmet through the Bluetooth. Now, before we start this process, there's going to be a few things to set up. For our iPhone users, please make sure that you have your mobile hotspot option activated. And for Android users, please make sure that you have your Bluetooth sharing enabled as well. On your mobile device, make sure that Bluetooth is turned on and is discoverable, otherwise we won't be able to connect your device. Next, you're going to navigate to the settings of your HUD device. In there, you should find a Bluetooth tethering option and then a manual connection option. Opening that should start searching for local networks. In the settings of your HUD, select your mobile phone from the drop-down menu and press the OK button. On your phone, there may also be a notification to pair with said device. Once the device connection is successful, you should see a connected Bluetooth icon pop up in the home page of your HUD device. For convenience, there is also an auto connection setting for Bluetooth devices. When you navigate in your HUD device over to the settings, back down to the Bluetooth tethering device, there should be an auto connection setting there for you. Select the phone that you want your device to auto connect to, and when those two devices are Bluetooth enabled, they will automatically connect when within proximity. To manage or disconnect any Bluetooth settings, you can do so in the settings under your HUD device or in the iC-Rider app. Thanks for tuning into this how-to video on the iC-R helmets. You check out the rest of the series for more tips and tricks, and we'll see you in the next one. See you later.